Okay, reverse power, Schneider. Our main switchboard Schneider. This is the manual. As you can see, this is the setting for reverse power. You can see, reverse power, 5 seconds delay, minus 105 kilowatts. Okay, DG1, DG2. This is the setting where you can see the setting. Our topic for today is all about reverse current. Why reverse current? It's because the generator acts a motor. How to prevent that one? We need a reverse power protection. This is the diagram. Okay, first of all, we have a class, but I show you an actual video after this explanation. Okay, this is bus bar 440, or bus bar 440, synchronized in auto PMS mode G1, ACB, connect to bus bar G2, connect to bus bar. Okay, G1 and G2 is auto synchronized. When to start a reverse power simulation, actual simulation, okay, as you can see, auto synchronized, and then the PMS mode must be in manual. Select to manual mode. After manual mode, you can increase or decrease the governor of G1, same as G2. Okay, go to panel of G1. There is a governor selector, increase or raise. You increase, you will get load from this number 2. If you decrease, you will pass the load to Gen 2. Okay, how to start reverse power simulation? Just lower the governor for G1 until it gets minus 105, about 5 seconds. After that, the ACB will trip, but this generator 1 will continuous running. But there is an alarm, reverse power protection, relay activate, and then trip this ACB. Okay, I will show you actual video with the presence of the class because we have inspection. Manual.
Hindi matagal yan. Wala. Hindi, ano? 170 na.
Okay, dapat.
Okay. Iba yan.
Negative 105, 5 seconds. Sige pa.
Sige pa. 150 ba? Minus 150?
105, sir.
105 daw. Tama na. Huwag mo nga.
5 seconds.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.